Are you guys having problem to enter or log in onto the Deepseek AI website? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Deepseek AI website. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Google app just like this. Now open it. After opening the app, make sure you have searched for deepseek.com login just like this. After that, here you can find the Deepseek just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the Start Now option just right here. Now to log into the website, you need to click on to Start Now. Now tap on it. Then here you can find something like this. Now to log in with it, simply tap on to log in with Google. Or you can simply add the email address or your phone number and the password that you have logged in before. For now, I'm going to log in with Google. Now tap on it. After that, simply choose the Google account just like this. Tap on to continue. And now here we can see you have been logged in into the Deepseek AI website. And that's it. This is how you can log in into the Deepseek website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.